Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Tuesday, February 22nd, 2022. So it is 2/22/22. That's an exciting day. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Teachers, please make sure you post your attendance. Also, make sure you're syncing your grades in PowerSchool. Late duty today is Miss Bertolino, tomorrow Miss Bolton, Thursday Miss Arch, and Friday possibly Miss Gidry's substitute. Someone will be on late duty Friday. Important dates. For February 25th, students may wear jeans and a school-appropriate Mardi Gras colored t-shirt for a $2 donation to United Way. February 28th through March 2nd, we have no school for Mardi Gras break, but we will see you bright and early on that Thursday morning, March 3rd, back at school. Also important February dates, we have African American History Month. February 21st through 25th is Public Schools Week, and coming up soon, tomorrow will be School Bus Driver Appreciation Day. So I hope all of you bus drivers have something super sweet planned to appreciate your bus driver. Also, we have Black History Month for the month of February, and all month long we have been highlighting some historical Black figures that have done amazing things in our country. So continuing, we have a new biography today. It is written and read by Autumn Dale from Miss Barnes' class, and she is going to tell us all about Little Miss Ruby Bridges. So here we go.
Ruby Bridges. At the tender age of 6, Ruby Bridges advanced the cause of civil rights in November 1960 when she became the first African-American student to integrate an elementary school in the South. A federal court ordered Louisiana to desegregate. The school district created entrance exams for African-American students. Ruby and 5 other students passed the exam. Her parents were torn about whether to let her attend the all-white William Frantz Elementary School near their home. Her mother, however, wanted Ruby to have the educational opportunities that her parents had been denied. While attending McDonough Elementary School, Ruby and her mother were escorted by 4 federal marshals to school daily. The angry crowd yelled at Ruby as she walked to school. Barbara Henry, a white Boston native, was the only teacher willing to accept Ruby, and all year she was a class of 1. She never missed a day of school that year.
Excellent job, Autumn, and that is fantastic information about Ruby Bridges. What a brave little girl she was, and look how stinking cute she was. Nice work, Ruby. Next up, we have our AR Superstars. These have met their quarter goal. We are well into our 3rd quarter of the school year already. That is crazy to even think about. But so here are our students that have met that quarterly goal. In Miss Arch's class, Alexander Coleman, Alyssa Hunter Hawthorne, Maya Tedla, Kamani Thomas, and Miss Bertolino's class, Kristen Brown, Damani Richardson, and Eric Yulin Sanchez. In Miss Clark's class, Timotheus Emerson, Paris Anderson, Chloe Cole, and Jeremiah Harrison. Also in Miss Curd's class, Ava Murphy. More, we have Granger, we have Zach Bolton in Miss Granger's class, Kinley North and Autumn Wells. In Miss Moore's class, we have Tylen Travis. In Peralta, Caden Flowers. In Waller, Amaya White. In Washam, Kylie James. And in Weaver, Zoe McNeil and Logan Millender. So, awesome job to all of these AR Superstars for meeting that quarterly goal. Keep on reading, folks, if you haven't met that goal. I know you're probably close, so you can do it. That's all for today's news. Have a terrific 2/2/22 Tuesday. Out there, Kate Shepherd.